Hello friends, welcome back to another video of this channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to make YouTube thumbnail completely using AI, and also I'll teach you how to replace the AI generated image face to your face. Let's see what I mean. So this is the face that I generated from the AI, and I want to replace the face of the person to my face, and the result is like this. With the same image, same color of the t-shirt and same resolution, everything, just the face is different. Isn't that cool? If it is cool, let's see how to do this. First open the Google Chrome. Then you have to go to the one of the AI YouTube thumbnail maker. Nowadays, you can make a YouTube thumbnail from any AI platform like ChatGPT, Grook, or even from the Microsoft Copilot. But here I'm going to use this one. Then you have to pick a nice prompt. Nowadays, you can make a nice prompt from ChatGPT too. But here I'm going to use a very normal one. I have written a main innocent face with some mountains on the back. Then click on run this GLF. Then the thumbnail will become ready within a couple of minutes, which is already professional and eye-catching. Simply, we can take this thumbnail and put in the YouTube while making our videos. But if you wanna make sure that you put your face on the thumbnail, then there is a one more step we have to do. Then you have to go to the one of the website called FaceSwapper AI. Then click on FaceSwapper. Here you can do the image swap, or even you can do the face swap on the videos, or you can do the multiple face swap. But here I'm just gonna use the face swap in the image. So just click on the this one and then choose the image. But looks like I haven't downloaded the image, so let's go and download the image first. So you can simply download the image from here. So my image is downloaded, which I made from the YouTube thumbnail maker. Then go for here, then choose the image that is downloaded just now. It will detect the face, then swap with your image. I will just choose this image, then click on swap. It is a completely free AI tool. Now let's see and wait how the YouTube thumbnail looks like with your face. And my image is ready. My face looks like a crying face, but that's okay because I have made a prompt saying a man with an innocent face. That's why when I put my image, my face is like innocent. Now the image is ready. You can click on download and download the image. Then you can use this as a thumbnail in your YouTube video. Hope you know how to use these two AI tools. One is GLIF and FaceSwapper to make a YouTube thumbnail. And also you can mix with the ChatGPT and other AI tool for getting a nice prompt. Hope you like this video, and if you learned something from this video, please give a like, comment, and subscribe the channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.